Kakan hur gina thokbo na Meghalaya shibenta ban lai wat jing tip shabar hapo ka jinglam ka press information bureau shillong kila plong yi ka jingla jingo ha ka Karnataka Silk Industries Corporation Limited kabadon ha Mysore kanik jinga jingo ka jing tip shibun yi jing pawnam jang ka jaka ban penmi ya ki jan bachna ra ki Ksai silk ha ka ba ki jan bachna na uni Ksai la de ha ka dor ka barem ha bat ka batat du kadai khat prahajar tang 100 meter sitang kat ba kabarem tam klakot shadu ka alak san prahajar tengkai ya ka Mysore silk weaving factory rasteng hawa khat khnai spa khat ar dau Maharaja Sri Nalbadi Krishna Raja Ryndia ban supply ki jan sha ying sim bat menta ka ni ka khana ka yeng kum ka nong mona ka pawnam bha kari hadin ba yo ying la ilu ka India la paniya ka Mysore State Agriculture Department but hadin pe la IT no syaka sokar ha ka khatnai spa prapo ka pa trekam hapo ka jing pe ka soka Karnataka u ba pe igani Krishna Kumar wa batai na Ksai la bansna ki jansari ka ba khle da ka ksel arphu karat bat ka rupa ha ka sisngi kani ka khana kala ban penmi kumba lais pa san phau tori kisari kani ka khana ka kring ya gi bre ban wan yang lain man ka sngi ban the ya gi jansari na ka te jaka na do men step hadu janmit ha ba pe ya kusai se ka Mysore la ban sim nu ksaro ya kusai Ryndia ka Meghalaya ubami ka thain ri bhoi bat ki pat ki jaka ha ka ba duna na ka jingbha ban yakob adu kusai ka Mysore dadau penwandur bha harukom ka biang bat la ban pen pawnam keleng ka pathai la dak soka ka simkhia kumbale ka soka Karnataka ban pen pawnam miau tai kusai sil na Mysore
worm comes out breaking, the yarn will be break. It is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. When it is taken, killed and taken out, it is the minimum 750 to 1200 meters. So that is easily workable on looms. When you want continuous filament yarn, the worm must be killed. Otherwise, you will get a staple length, just like cotton, 3 inches, 4 inches more. Understand? No. Yes, ask no problem. Ahimsa is only you can make middle only, not completely. The market wants more production. When you want more, you must go for filament only.
Okay, also can tell us about natural dyeing and synthetic dyeing.
Silk is a natural fiber. Silk is, through a worms, is the saliva of a worm, which will not withstand any strong dyes and chemicals. It will withstand only mild. That's why mild chemicals like soap, soda, and hydrous and acid dyes are used for dyeing.
But we in our boy village, they use.
You don't have any shining. See, anything saree, it should be fall, very good shining, very good combination. For rich royal blue, dark mustard, dark chili red, and dark violet, those shades are not available in natural dyes, but it is available in synthetic dyes, like acid dyes. So that the saree which goes for fashion, it requires different colors and different tones.
So what will be your suggestion to improve our production?
You must go for filament yarn. Ahimsa, keep a little only for the people who want Ahimsa. Here supply Ahimsa. For others, go for this type.
And we don't have yarn factory.